Hi, I'm Ian Webb from TRG, and today we're going to be doing a review of the Cherry iPad stand by the Hardwood Shop for the iPad 1 or iPad 2. Now before we begin this review, I would like to thank Matthew Graff from the Hardwood Shop for sending me out this specific product to review. Now this product itself is part of the Etsy series that we are doing on TRG. Sam L started out the series, and I am also going to be helping out with the series by doing a couple different video reviews for a couple different products I've received from various sellers throughout Etsy. Now let's go and have a quick look at the actual features of the stand. Now if you look at the stand itself, you can see that it's a beautiful hand-carved cherry wood iPad stand. You can see it does have an interesting shape. Now it does have two separate places to hold your thing, and this here is the first one. It's a little bit more angular, and there's a place to hold, and it'll set your iPad in to hold it a little sturdier. This side is a little bit more vertical, and you can see it's not as much of an indent there because you don't need it as much. Now, comes to the bottom, you'll see again you have that really pretty cherry hardwood, along with the cherryipad.com sticker, well with four almost plastic rubbery grippies. And if you set it on the table, it doesn't move, although it does shake the table that you can't see in the thing. Now I am going to go ahead and try to show you how to put your iPad actually inside the stand itself. Now, there are two places, like I said before, and there's one that's a little more angular and one that's more vertical. We're going to try the one that's angular first, and I do have one problem with it. When you put your iPad in a portrait mode, it does fall over. It doesn't stand up, which I do kind of find kind of bad. When you put it in landscape mode, it works just fine. Don't know why, it just does. Now, when you put it in the vertical mode, it does work both ways, which is actually really cool. Just to show you how to put it in again, you put it in the same way, just stick it in the little opening, and there you go. You can see that the iPad is in there. And then you can also put it, obviously, and I'll try to pan out here so you can see it, and you can also put it in landscape mode just like the others, like the other side, and it works perfectly. Now, I don't know why the one on the front doesn't work very well. So you can use your iPad once it's in the case, and honestly I really love using the back one and the front one when it's in landscape, but I can't use it in portrait. Overall, the stand is actually really cool. The homemade feature of this stand really does stand out in this review to me, because that feature itself is really cool, and it's something that you can't kind of establish on a widespread manufactured base. And so because of that, I'm actually going to award the Cherry iPad stand an 8 out of 10 stars, even though it cannot stand up in portrait mode on the more angular side. To get your very own Cherry iPad stand, visit cherryipadstand.com or visit the Etsy link in the description below. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and visit our website at realgeekstech.com. I'm Ian Webb. Have a great day.